Physical attractiveness plays a major role in mate selection because it signals health, fertility, and reproductive potential. Although ideals of beauty differ across cultures, the importance of attractiveness in forming romantic relationships appears consistent. Alongside appearance, several other factors influence attraction and relationship satisfaction, but this section focuses on physical attractiveness and the idea that people tend to choose partners similar to themselves. Buses, 1989. Cross-cultural research showed that men place strong emphasis on physical attractiveness when choosing a partner, viewing it as an indicator of youthfulness and fertility. Later research by Eastwick et al., 2011, suggests that attractiveness matters to both sexes, but for different reasons. Women tended to value looks more in short-term or casual relationships, whereas men continued to prioritize attractiveness even in long-term partnerships. The matching hypothesis. The matching hypothesis, Wolster and Wolster, 1969, proposes that individuals begin romantic relationships with partners who are roughly equal to them in social desirability. Before approaching someone, people informally assess their own value and then pursue partners they believe are likely to reciprocate their interest. Although individuals may be attracted to highly desirable partners, choosing someone within one's own league maximizes the chances of mutual liking and success. Over time, the matching concept has become closely linked with physical attractiveness rather than broader qualities. Research suggests that people tend to form relationships with others whose level of attractiveness is similar to their own. Wolster et al. Argued these are realistic choices, shaped by what each person wants, whether the other person might respond positively, and the availability of alternative partners. Key study, Wolster et al., 1966. Procedure. To test the matching hypothesis, Wolster and colleagues organized a computer dance at the University of Minnesota. From the students who bought tickets, 177 males and 170 females were randomly chosen. When they collected their tickets, 4 assistants secretly rated each participant's physical attractiveness. Participants also completed questionnaires supposedly used to match them with an ideal partner, though in reality the pairings were entirely random. During the dance and again 6 months later, participants were asked to evaluate their partner. Findings. The results did not support the matching hypothesis. After meeting their partners, participants, regardless of their own attractiveness, responded more favorably to physically attractive dates, and were more likely to seek further contact with them. Traits such as personality or intelligence had little effect on initial liking or later attempts to arrange more dates. Sexual selection and attractiveness. Evolutionary theory provides an additional explanation for why physical attractiveness has such influence. Darwin's work on sexual selection highlighted that some traits evolve not because they aid survival, but because they increase mating success. The peacock's extravagant tail illustrates this. Although it may hinder survival, peahens prefer colorful, elaborate tails, so males with such features reproduce more successfully. Similar principles may apply to human mate choice, where attractiveness serves as a cue to underlying genetic quality.